everyone! Welcome back to another episode of The Language Lounge, the show where we make languages fight, laugh, and maybe even fall in love. I'm your host, Mike, the guy who still struggles to roll his R's, but somehow thinks he can speak Spanish. And today, it's gonna be fun, because I have a very special guest sitting right across from me. He's cool, funny, and probably the only man who can make me sound like Google Translate. Please welcome Diego!
Hola amigos, hello friends. Estoy muy emocionado de estar aquí. I'm so excited to be here.
See? He starts with Spanish already. That's confidence. Diego, welcome to the chaos.
Gracias, Mike. And don't worry, by the end of this episode, you will sound like a real Español.
I'll take that challenge, my friend. But I warn you, English is tricky too. We've got silent letters, weird idioms, and words like through, though, and thought. Same spelling family, different planets.
Yeah, Spanish is more logical, but we also have our monsters, like ferrocarril, railway. Try saying that fast.
Ferrocarril?
Almost. You sound like my GPS trying to speak Spanish.
Okay, Diego, first round, word battle. I'll say an English word, and you tell me how to say it in Spanish. But here's the rule. You have to make it sound funny. Deal. Funny is my second language. All right, first word, butterfly. Ah, that's easy. Mariposa, butterfly. Mariposa? That sounds like a luxury car or a perfume. Introducing the new Mariposa with wings of elegance.
In Spanish, it sounds beautiful, but try bat. Murciélago.
Wait, what? More what now?
Murciélago. Bat.
That sounds like a secret Harry Potter spell. Murciélago. Boom! Bat appears.
Actually, you're not far. Murciélago is...
Aha! I knew it. Spanish is the language of drama and speed. Next, cheese.
Queso, cheese.
Queso. That sounds delicious. In English, we say cheese, but in Spanish, it feels like a food party.
Yeah, but don't confuse it with beso, kiss.
Oh no, imagine mixing them. Can I have a basil sandwich?
That's one spicy lunch.
All right, next, embarrassed.
Yes. So if you say, I'm embarrassed, and use estoy embarazada, you're saying, I'm pregnant.
Oh my God, I'm never speaking Spanish in public again. Let's test my Spanish. I'll try saying some basic words.
Go ahead, maestro.
Hello. Hola. Good morning. Buenos días. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? I love tacos. Amo los tacos.
Perfecto. You sound like a Spanish GPS on low battery, but still good.
Now, your turn. Try some English tongue twisters. Say this. She sells seashells by the seashore.
She sells seashells by the sea. Shoot! No, seashells by the shore.
Bro, you sound like Windows trying to load.
I'm buffering in English.
All right, Diego, one more round. I'll give you a phrase and you tell me the Spanish version. Phrase. What's up?
We say, ¿Qué tal? What's up? Or, ¿Qué pasa? What's happening?
¿Qué pasa? That's easy. I've heard that in every Spanish movie ever.
Yeah, and in Spain we also say, Tío, ¿qué pasa? Like, dude, what's up?
Nice. So, tío means dude?
Literally uncle, but we use it like bro.
Oh man, imagine calling your bro uncle in English. Hey, Uncle Jake, what's up? All right, you're listening to My English Podcast. And if you're just joining us, I'm here with the one and only Diego, my Spanish brother from another mother.
Así es. That's right. And Mike, I have to say, your Spanish is improving faster than my English during Taco Tuesday.
I'll take that as a compliment. So now, let's talk about something fun, culture. Because learning a language isn't just about words, it's about how people use them.
Totally. For example, when we greet someone in Spain, we don't just say hello. We do 2 kisses, one on each cheek.
Right, the double cheek kiss. Americans would freak out. Like in the US, if someone leans in for 2 kisses, they're probably in a rom-com.
True, but in Spain, it's totally normal, even with people you just met.
So, if I come to Spain and someone leans in like moi moi, I just go with the flow?
Exactly. Don't panic, just smile and go, hola, encantado. Hello, nice to meet you.
So, if I come to Spain and someone leans in like moi moi, I just go with the flow?
Exactly. Don't panic, just smile and go, hola, encantado. Hello, nice to meet you.
Got it. But imagine an American trying that in Texas. Howdy, partner. Moi moi. I think someone's getting punched. Let's play another mini game. Greetings gone wrong. I'll say how Americans greet. You tell me what happens if someone does that in Spain.
Okay.
First, handshake and say, hey, how are you?
If you shake too hard, we think you're about to sell us insurance. We're more chill. Soft handshake, friendly smile, or the kisses.
So, aggressive handshake equals buy my product?
Exactly. And saying how are you is weird for us if you don't wait for the answer. In Spain, people actually tell you.
Oh, that's dangerous. In America, how are you means don't actually tell me. All right, now food culture. Americans eat fast, talk fast, live fast. What about in Spain?
In Spain, eating is sacred. It's not just food, it's social time. We eat late, we eat slowly, and we talk forever.
How late are we talking?
Dinner at 10 p.m. is totally normal.
10 p.m.? Bro, that's bedtime in the US.
Yeah, and we stay talking until midnight about politics, football, or why the neighbor's cat looks suspicious.
I love that. Meanwhile, in America, we eat lunch while driving and checking emails.
In Spain, if you do that, the car might stop and protest.
Now, this one's important. Dating differences. How do Spanish people flirt compared to Americans?
We're more direct. We don't hide it. We say, eres guapa, you're beautiful. And we mean it. Not creepy, just confident.
In America, that can go 2 ways. Either you get a date or a restraining order.
Yeah, Spanish flirting is like salsa dancing. Lots of energy and eye contact.
Americans flirt like they're applying for a job. So, what do you like to do for fun?
In Spain, we'd already be dancing by then.
Man, I'm learning that Spanish people live in HD while Americans are stuck buffering. Now, let's move to slang. This is where chaos begins.
Oh, yes. For example, in Spain, we say, "Qué guay." That's cool.
Que guay. I like that. Sounds fancy.
And if something's awesome, we also say, "Está de puta madre," which means, it's freaking amazing.
Whoa. That sounded spicy.
Yeah, literally, it has a bad word, but in Spain, it means super cool.
So if I say that in Mexico,
No, don't do it. Every country uses Spanish differently. You might end up apologizing for a week.
got it. Note to self, never trust Google Translate with slang. Okay, Diego, be honest. How do Spanish people feel about English pronunciation?
We struggle with TH. We don't have that sound. So think becomes sink.
So if a Spanish guy says, I think you're beautiful, that's actually sweet.
Exactly. It's romantic confusion.
Meanwhile, Americans butcher Spanish R's. Rico becomes Rico.
Yeah, you sound like a robot trying to purr.
We'll call it the Battle of the R's. Let's talk dancing. Americans dance like we're shy about existing. Spanish people, you guys live on the dance floor.
Of course! Dancing is part of our soul. If there's music, we move. Even grandmas can outdance me.
Meanwhile, at an American wedding, everyone's doing the same awkward two-step shuffle.
We do the salsa, bachata, flamenco. Every dance has emotion.
Maybe that's why Spanish sounds so musical. Even your words have rhythm.
Sí, amigo. Yes, my friend. Spanish is the language of feeling.
And English is the language of emails. You know, Diego, the coolest thing about this chat, we're realizing how languages reflect personality. Spanish is expressive, emotional, colorful. English is fast, practical, and flexible.
Exactly. Both are beautiful. They just dance differently.
And I think that's what makes this show fun, the mix. Because when cultures talk, comedy happens.
Sí, la risa une a la gente. Yes, laughter brings people together.
Amen to that, bro.
The men who can make even a grocery list sound romantic.
Gracias, Mike. You know, everything sounds better in Spanish, even vegetables. Really? So, what's onion in Spanish?
Cebolla, onion.
Cebolla. That actually does sound romantic. I can imagine a perfume ad. Introducing Cebolla, the scent of tears and passion.
First one. Más vale tarde que nunca.
Better late than never. Before we wrap up, Diego, can you do your best American accent? Yo, bro, I just ordered a triple cheeseburger with 0 regrets. That's way too accurate.
Your turn, amigo. Do a Spanish accent.
I am not just tired. I am emotionally siesta.
Perfect. You sound like a soap opera hero with jet lag.
Okay, real quick. For our audience learning both languages, here's a fast tip. Learning languages through humor makes your brain remember faster.
Exacto. When you laugh, your brain releases dopamine, and that helps you record new words better.
So basically, our podcast is free brain medicine.
Sí, pero sin receta.
And that's it for today's crazy episode of English versus Spanish.
Gracias por vernos, mis amigos.
If you laughed, learned, or just enjoyed watching us fail, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.
Y deja un comentario con tu palabra favorita en inglés o en español.
Stay funny, stay bilingual, and keep twisting those tongues.
Adiós, mis amigos. Hasta luego.
See you next time. Or as Diego says, nos vemos, baby.